Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Today we learn how to remove TikTok's invisible filter. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste the time and let's get start the video. First we tap on TikTok and tap on search bar and you can type invisible body and search, and you can swipe up hashtag and tap on first hashtag visible body filter and second I check and first video is
You want the picture, let me pose for you now.
and
You got me now?
save this
Oh,
video in
you
my
like another one?
gallery.
You like this one? You want the picture, let me pose for you now. You got
So
me
go
now?
back
Oh, you like another?
and tap on Pixart app and tap on plus arrow and select your invisible body filter video, and you can adjust this video like this. So yeah, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below and press the bell icon for my new videos update. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.